Hey friends, if you wish to quickly locate apps from all apps in the start menu of Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Click on the start button and then select all apps. Now, if you had to scroll through this, it would need a very long time because while I have a few apps, but people have a lot of apps on the system. Just click on any of the letter, okay, and you'll see that the menu compresses and then you can easily go to any option. But see, Z and Y are grayed out because no app starts with that name. I can click on X and straight away go to X and access the Xbox app. So this is something that will help you save a lot of time. I have tried it and I am able to access these apps within seconds, and it is even faster than using the Windows search bar. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.